Showing, welcome. I am yours, Susan Zam. Today we'll be looking at a particular word in Birom, which is wet. Wet simply means not. Let's take a look at these sentences in the Birom language and in the English translation. Misimi ripugu wet. Misimi ripugu wet. I don't like trouble. Me te ramal go wet. Me te ramal go wet. I won't ask you again. Worry tele wet. Worry tele wet. We won't run. Yeni yibam wet. Yeni yibam wet. They won't forget. They won't forget. Now I need you to take a very good note of these sentences, the ones in Birom and the ones in English. If you take a look at the Birom sentences, wet comes at the end of all the sentences. That is, not comes at the end of all these sentences. Unlike in English, in Birom, you give a positive expression of what you intend to say and end it with a negative expression by using wet. For instance, misimi ripugu simply means I love trouble, but you want to say I don't like trouble, so you put or you add wet to mean I don't like trouble. Misimi ripugu wet. Take note. You start by expressing yourself like you are going the positive direction, but wet makes your sentence a negative one, okay? Misimi ripugu wet. I don't like trouble. I hope you will take time to do a more critical study on this very topic so that you will be glad you did. Okay? Thank you and bye.